The explore versus exploit dilemma is a critical part of understanding decision making because it is a dilemma that you find yourself in almost every day. And when you can consciously recognize that you are in an explore versus exploit dilemma, it allows you to then make better choices that are going to lead you to a more fulfilling life and more fruitful relationships. So, what is the explore versus exploit dilemma? Well, it sounds kind of bad. Nobody likes exploitation, but it's actually a pretty positive sort of thing. It means that we have a choice in how we invest our time, our energy, our resources. In most situations, we can either explore or exploit. Exploring means that you are trying something new. You are experimenting. You're doing something where you're not sure of the outcome and you're gathering information as a result of that. And then exploiting means that you are acting on the knowledge that you already have. You are doing something where you know that it's going to work for you and you're just gaining the benefit from that. For instance, if you aren't sure what to eat for dinner tonight and you decide to try a new restaurant, that would be exploring because maybe you'll like it, maybe you'll not, but either way, you're going to learn something from that. You're going to learn if it's a good restaurant that you enjoy. Whereas if you decide that you're just going to go eat at your favorite restaurant, well, that's exploiting. You know that you're going to enjoy that. And so you get to have a positive experience, but you're not going to learn anything new. In life, we need to have a balance between exploration and exploitation. We always want to be learning and growing in that way, but we also want to take advantage of our knowledge and act on the things that we know. So how does this get applied in relationships? Well, the key is to make sure that you are always having balance. Oftentimes, people get stuck kind of in one or the other. Sometimes they can get stuck in explore mode. They are just constantly making lots and lots of superficial connections with people, constantly meeting new people or trying new things, but they're never willing to commit. They're never willing to invest in relationships and deepen them over time. They're always looking for the next shiny person to make friends with or to try to have a relationship with. And that's going to lead you in a bad direction. Similarly, some people do too much exploitation, and not exploitation the way that we normally think of exploiting people, but they basically stick to their comfort zone. They spend all of their time with the same few people doing the same few things, and they never give themselves the opportunity to grow. So if you want to have a fruitful social life, you need to balance exploration and exploitation. You need to make sure that you're exploring and you're trying new things, you're meeting new people, you're going outside of your comfort zone now and then, but you also need to make sure that you are exploiting. You need to make sure that you are investing your time, your energy, your care into your existing relationships and making sure that the people that are important to you, you are spending time with them, you are deepening those relationships. So take a moment, reflect on how this dilemma shows up for you in your life, in your relationships, and maybe leave a comment. Do you need to do a little bit more exploration, try some new things, try a different kind of social activity? Or do you need to do a little bit more exploitation? Do you need to maybe plan a time with a good friend that you haven't seen for a while so you can invest deeper into that relationship? Let me know what you think. And if you found this helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back at it again soon with more videos to help you in your life and relationships. Dr. Dan, signing off.